Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, for this video, let's talk about how to schedule a post on TikTok. Now, for this one, I'm going to show you a little ways first. Let's open up our TikTok account right there. And if you want this one to pursue, of course, upload a video first by uploading. And then just post anything. Just try and uploading something first. And you'll notice right there that you cannot really upload from your mobile device. Anything here is not going to be showing some scheduled posts, or you can just save this as a draft and then basically upload it manually in some time. But that doesn't mean that it's scheduled. So there's a workaround for this one if you want to remove that one first. Perfect. So we said just go to the web browser using your phone. Just log into your TikTok account and then just request for the desktop type first. Should be around here somewhere. Click on the threads right there, request for the desktop's version. Now you're here. Now once you're here, it should be around on post a video for this one, as you can see right there. I'm gonna click on post a video right now. Let me just try that one. And then once I click on that one, I'm gonna go back on TikTok Studio. As you can see right there, I'm just gonna select a video. So I'm just gonna take a video randomly right there, just like that. I think that should be good to go. Use a video, and basically for that one, wait for it to be uploaded. So welcome back to the video. As you can see right there, it says that your browser is not fully supported. That means this version or this option is not yet available on our country. So what you can do right here is you cannot really upload on the mobile device, but rather let's try using the desktop device. So I'm just gonna get back to you once I'm on my desktop. Now welcome back to the video. This is gonna be the desktop version. So what you want to do here is basically click on upload right there, select a video. So as you can see, it's the same thing as the mobile version we use on our phone, and then we access for the desktop version, right? Let me just upload a sample video, and you'll notice on the lower section, there is schedule right here. Click allow, and this video can be now scheduled at a later time, specific date, and click on schedule. And basically that's how you do it. So again, guys, just a quick rundown. If your phone, your mobile device has the version, that means your country is not yet available for this feature. What you can do is go to your website using your desktop, your laptop, or the works, and basically schedule it in here. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you back on the next one.